morning, everyone. Today we have assembled online for a special reason, and that is National Science Day. India celebrates National Science Day every year on 28th of February in the honor of physicist C.V. Raman's discovery of the Raman effect, which gave Asia its first Nobel in the science in 1930. It was the first Nobel for a non-white person. It is celebrated as one of the prominent science festivals in India every year.
National Science Day is celebrated to promote active involvement of students and teachers in science-related activities, to encourage students to ask questions, to encourage students to develop the scientific thinking, to understand the concepts of pure science, and finally to develop the science culture. Science is a powerful weapon to battle with different critical situations in today's world. But still, there is one supreme power where we always go ourselves. That is none other than the God. So let's start our today's program by praising Lord Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
कुन्देन्दुतुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती
God is always there in our each and every activity, just like as a science. Since we wake up early in the morning up to the going bed at night, our every activity, our every substances, whatever we are using in our day-to-day life are related with science. So let's see, students. Here, our H.K. Gidwani Cosmopolitan English High School is celebrating this National Science Day by performing some experiments which were conducted by our students at their home, and we must have to appreciate them. So let's start with our activity.
Everyone, I am Shanaz Pathan from class 9th A. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate National Science Day. On this day, I would like to explain Raman's effect. Raman, an Indian scientist, explained about scattering of light. So, what is prism? An optical transparent optical element with small, flat, polished surface that reflect light. Traditional geometric shape of an optical prism is that of a triangular prism with a triangular base and triangular sides. Prism can be made from any material that is transparent to the wavelength for which they are designed. Typical materials include glass, plastic and fluoride. So, what we need for this activity? Prism, white light, white and plain background and a dark room. This is the prism. When the white beam of light falls on the prism, it is going to bend due to denser medium, and because of changing its angle of white light, it will give us 7 colors of bands. The 7 color bands are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Including the 7 color bands make white light. Thank you.
This was just about the Raman effect. By studying Raman effect, we are able to get the information about the scattering of light and dispersion of light. By we observe the sky as well as see blue in color. Here you will get the basic knowledge about it. We can carry out different types of the experiments at our home also. We are using so many different substances at our home which are acid, bases or neutral. In laboratory, mostly we are using different kinds of the synthetic indicators. But how can at home we can identify whether the substance we are using, which is acid or base? So let's see one more interesting activity related to it. You can perform it at your home also.
Good morning, madam, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Khushi Kishore Sharma, and I am from 8th. Today, I am going to show one experiment about acid and base. Let's start with a small explanation. Friends, we have studied about indicators. Indicators are a substance which show that whether the substance is a acid or base in nature. There are two types of indicator, natural and synthetic. In laboratory, we can use litmus paper as an indicators, but see, I have made turmeric paper at home. Identify acid or base. So let's start our activity. We have to take paste of turmeric, 2-3 paste of potato, piece some water, soap water, and 1 piece of paper and 1 pan. First, we have to apply turmeric at paper. Apply properly. And stay for dry it. And it is dry. I have taken and take pan and divide 2 parts with center. I have done with divide 2 parts and take tomato and apply one side. Properly apply. Done with apply. And one side you apply soap. Properly apply soap. I have done with soap applied. What are you observing? One side I have applied tomato, that side has not changed color, and one side I have applied soap, that is changed her color. Means tomato is a acid and soap is a base. Thank you so much and happy Science Day.
Students, I hope that you have enjoyed this activity and you might get motivation to perform such kind of the different small activities at your home. So what is actually the science and how it is related in our day-to-day life? What is the importance and why we are celebrating the Science Day? So let's see one of the speech which will just give you the information about the Science Day.
Hello everyone, I'm Nirali Tanna from 7th B, and today I am going to give you some of the information about Science Day. So let's begin. India celebrates National Science Day on 28 February to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by a great Indian scientist, Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman or C.V. Raman. He had invented the Raman effect on 28 February 1928. Raman effect was an important discovery in the field of scattering of light. The discovery states when light traverses to a transparent object, some of it gets disappeared. The disappeared light changes its wavelength and amplitude docilely. The discovery was made by Sir C.V. Raman on 26th February 1928. He was also awarded the 1938 Nobel Prize in Physics for the important discovery. It is to commemorate Sir C.V. Raman and his discovery, the Raman effect, that we celebrate National Science Day. The first National Science Day was celebrated in 1987, nearly 6 decades after Sir C.V. Raman made the important discovery. The National Council for the Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC) requested the government in 1986 to designate 28 February as a National Science Day. Hence, beginning from 1987, National Science Day is observed every year in Indian schools, colleges, universities, and other relevant places. One of the main events of the day includes National Science Popularization Award, handed over the people and also institutions for outstanding contribution in the field of science or for the popularization of science and communication. Celebration of National Science Day is very important in that way. It promotes the institution of science and the implementation in our daily lives. It also encourages the people, scientists, writers, etc., who are doing the commendable job of promoting and researching science. It also provides a platform for the scientific fraternity to interact with people as well as the government and inform them about the usefulness of science and possibilities expands its growth. Science presents limitless possibilities for growth and makes day-to-day living more comfortable and more convenient. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nirali, for acquainting us about the National Science Day. Now, students, let's do one more interesting activity with vinegar and washing soda, which we all have at our homes. It will produce CO2, that is carbon dioxide, by neutralization reaction.
One and all. I am Harsh Jaiswal from class 9B. Today I am going to do experiment. So the materials required for experiment is baking soda, vinegar and empty bottle and balloons. So first I will take empty bottle and pour some amount of vinegar in it. And I will take one balloon and add some baking soda in it. And cover the mouth of the bottle by the mouth of the balloon. Now I will pour the baking soda which is present in the balloon into the bottle, and you can see there is a reaction between vinegar and baking soda and the balloon blower. This experiment, vinegar that is acid react with baking soda that is base, which leads to form sodium acetate. This is the chemical equation of the experiment. Vinegar react with baking soda and sodium acetate is formed. Also, carbon dioxide gas is also formed, which leads to balloon start blowing. Thank you for watching.
So, see students, here you have seen about the CO2 gas production at home. CO2 is being produced at every stage when the fuel is generally get burned. And it is having the heat trapping capacity, and because of that, we are facing one of the major issues that is nothing but the global warming. So plants are the only one who are using the carbon dioxide for photosynthesis process. And so that's why the plants are very, very important to us. They are not just using the CO2, but they are helping to retain the water and the water vapor as well as moisture in the atmosphere through the transpiration process. So how it helps to just retain the moisture as well as to contribute for the rainfall. Let's see about the activity related.
Hello, my name is Nitesh Pandey. I am from 9th grade and today we are going to learn a very interesting thing about plant. Do you people know that like human, plants are also excreting? Yes, plants are also excreting in a different way, and this process is called transpiration. So let's learn about transpiration. To know whether the plants are transpirating, we need plant and the transparent polythene bag. We have to cover the plant with a transparent polythene bag for 1 or 2 days. After this, we can see the water droplets in the polythene bag. Where does this water droplets came from? Wait, I will tell. Transpiration is the loss of water from the plant in the form of water vapor. Water is absorbed by the roots from the soil and this transported as a liquid to the leaves via xylem. In the leaves, small pores allow water to escape as a vapor. Yes, this water is evaporated from the plant. This process is important to regulate or maintain the temperature of the plant. Only 5% of the absorbed water is utilized for growth by plant and rest are remained from the plant. So the process transpiration is important for plant. Thank you.
After learning about transpiration, now let's check the fact of air pressure on the water.
Good morning, madam, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Nisha Kishore Sharma, and I am from 5th E. Today is a science day, and that I today make one experiment about science. Let's see what I have made. First, we have to take one bottle and one straw and one cup and I say glass and one balloon. First, we have to hold in the bottle and take some water on the bottle and put straw on hole. Then I will blow the balloon. Then I will blow the balloon and I see what he do. See guys, as that water is outside, there is a call air pressure. I have to some small explanation about air pressure. Air pressure is a measure of weight of the air over that our atmosphere pressure changes with a weight and height. Pressure happens to cold and pressure down. The usual pressure happens when we have to range about what that gravity pulls into the earth. Thank you to all and happy Science Day. Thank you.
Excellent, Nisha. Very nice. Such kind of the small activities definitely create the interest in studying science. And so we must have to bring about so many different kinds of the activities at home.
I hope all of you have enjoyed this and you will also try this at your home and you can try many other experiments also. So now let's finish our program with a Science Day song.
Good morning everyone. I am Ishrat Imran Mulani from 7D and today I am going to sing a song on science. It's our science time. It's our science time. Hey, yo, it's our science time. It's our science time. It's our science time. Hey, yo, it's our science time. What do we do during science time? We observe, we compare, we use our eyes and brain during science time. It's our science time. It's our science time. Hey, yo, it's our science time. It's our science time. It's it's our science time. Hey, yo, it's our science time. We love science, we love science. Hey, yo, we love science. We love physics and chemistry. We love biology. It's our science time. It's our science time. Hey, yo, it's our science time. It's our science time. It's our science time. Hey, yo, it's our science time. S C I E N C E Science. We love science. Thank you.
Hope you all have enjoyed today's program. Here we are concluding with the National Science Day. Thank you to all the junior scientists. They have contributed their experiments to make the day special. We wish you all happy National Science Day.